Couldn't hear you.
I know. I don't know what you did, but all right. So I'm gonna go long NVIDIA just to be part of something. NVIDIA looks like it's popping up. Squeezing above the VWAP.
Yeah, it broke through
Yeah,
V on pretty decent volume, as Brendan pointed out.
it's a very nice squeeze. R3 could be something that we can get.
Nice, nice, Hector.
I'm sorry about this annoying sound. We'll send it to the developer to remove it, like when someone log in and log out. So bing, bing. All right. So let's see if NVIDIA can do a pop. What the market did.
Yeah, the market went crazy. Qs and SPY really just broke out strongly.
Why the bonds are going up? Is there any fundamental, any news came, any macroeconomic thing?
I don't know.
The bonds are up 1.2%. So let's see. NVIDIA squeeze.
AMD
Get some
dropping a bit here. Okay, no positions for me right now. Got had a few losing trades at the beginning, but got a nice Tesla short, and this QQQ trade was really good.
Yeah, Qs are still ripping. Who's leading it? Apple is leading the charge. Yeah, Apple is leading the charge.
Yeah, Apple's up. Yeah, Apple's really going today. And Google's really ripping. Google I have as a swing trade, so I might look at pairing that.
All right, let's see if NVIDIA can stay above this moving averages going for R3 or high of the day, 173. I'm still in there.
PLTR had a PLTR just had a nice bounce off of VWAP. Look at SPY is going to keep going here.
Yes. Let's see if NVIDIA can go. Yes. Yeah. So NVIDIA is amazing. Nice.
Wow, look at
Beautiful.
that. What a pop.
I'm adding a little bit more on NVIDIA, 172.94. Let's see if we can get to R3 at 173.25. Tesla. I tried to go long Tesla for opening range breakout, and I got stopped out. It went red, actually.
Yeah. Same same here.
It's a really big move on, and then dropped. What's DJT doing? DJT sold off on it open. Let's see if NVIDIA can go for the break of high of the day, and I would be a rich man. LTR. LTR did some interesting thing to do. The open. It did an engulfing, but it lost it.
Yeah.
SPY.
Qs are kind of rolling over now.
Let's see what Benzinga has to say for the news. Yeah, Google, Meta, and Apple, they're all really leading the charge.
Yeah. Meta's really up a lot.
You gotta stop me out, huh? Damn it. ELTR.
Just grab some quick call on SPX.
SPY, yeah, SPY is ripping. Look at this beauty.
Boom.
Zynga announced GoPro.
Yeah.
Let's see what NVIDIA doing.
Tesla.
SPY is just great. Gary, are you trading SPX calls? That's great, huh?
Yeah, I'm along some SPX calls right now. Ooh, the
Wow.
6315s. Oh
Look at
man,
that.
look at this. Wow.
SPY is
Wow.
going parabolic. Ah, Jesus, new all-time high.
Jesus. Crazy.
All-time high. Look at that. Let's see if NVIDIA can go higher too, and at least I can be happy too.
630 631 or close to it on SPY. That'll be R6. Q's breaking out again. Man, this market is crazy.
So SPY are leading. So if we go to trading terminal, you can actually see that. By the way, Benzinga is in trading terminal now. So Google is up 2.3%, Meta and Apple. So the communication sector is pushing. So that's why the big push up right now with Apple, Google, Meta. So very very strong over there. Nvidia isn't actually moving as much as I was expecting. But we'll see. Maybe Nvidia can go for the 173. Nvidia is struggling right now. Let's see. Should I stop out on Nvidia? It looks like Nvidia doesn't have momentum like the rest of the indexes.
Yeah, it's just run up so much. It's just
Gary, what did you trade? Did you trade the SPX calls? Would have been.
yeah,
Gary,
I traded two of them right. We just got that pop. I'm out of them now. Oh
Tesla.
my God. Crazy. This thing's still going up.
I still haven't lost hope on Nvidia. Holding the VWAP still. I'm adding a little bit more on NVIDIA as well, 172.60. Let's see if NVIDIA can actually hold it. Or potentially, probably not, because the market is strong. This one isn't going, so it might chop me up.
Wow. My graphene stock is up like 300%.
What is the ticker for the graphene company?
It's it's on Toronto Exchange. It's called HG.
HG.
I'm in it to like 12 cents and it's at 41. And I just realized on the weekend how many shares I have. It's like, wow, need to reduce that. Tesla's gone red on the day. Nvidia's rolling over a bit.
Bonds are still rallying. Like why the rates are
Yeah.
getting lower?
I thought Besant was saying something about the entire Fed overhauling the entire Fed, which is I don't know what that means.
Maybe it looks like it wants to chop me up again. Yeah, market is making all-time high, and NVIDIA isn't going toward the high of the day, so that's not great. So most likely I'm gonna get a stop that. Hues are making another all-time high. Oh man, beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that push on the SPY. Wow.
Oh my god, look at SPY. So what does Scott Besson says?
There was
Oh,
something about
all right, I stop out on the
Treasury
NVDA.
calls for an calls for a review of the entire Federal Reserve. I don't know what that means.
Yeah, the dual
Yeah,
mandate of
TLT
the
is
Federal
really
Reserve. They want to change it. There's a lot of criticism of the
yeah.
dual mandates, like of the because the dual mandate doesn't recognize like national debt. Like that's a problem. It's not Fed's problem, but it has to be part of their structure. Um, all right, so NVIDIA, I'm going to stop that running it. Let's see if I
Hmm.
get another one. So, oh, I lost money because of the microphone issues. That's good. Apple, yeah, Apple was very strong. Just ripped higher. Open, wow, Open is open door. It's amazing. Wow, look at this beautiful run up. Yeah, Open is amazing. It's Tesla doing. Tesla is at the previous day close. What was that pop on Tesla at the open?
I don't know. What's it now? All-time high for SPY. All-time high. Well, all-time high for Qs.
Yeah, IWM is
And high
also
for
ran.
SPY. Yeah. Wow.
CLT is up. NVDA. Should I get back into NVDA or is it going to chop up all the whole day?
It feels
Getting
pretty
back to
choppy.
NVIDIA. Yeah, I don't think NVIDIA is going to do anything, but I'm getting back in there.
And
172.37. Put a
no,
stop loss below 172. Yeah, today is the day of Apple.
Jared doesn't like it either.
See what Apple is doing. Maybe we can get along on Apple. Apple is AAPU is the Apple product, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some long on AAPU at 23.78. Maybe we can go to put a stop loss at 23.55. See if we can get the break of high today on Apple today. NVIDIA is still not doing anything. Gary, what are you trading?
AMD's gotten really choppy.
Options right there. Gary, what are you trading? Open, huh? Nice. It is, doesn't seem like a very low float. What's the float on open? It's
Yeah,
low
it's a pretty
price.
low float.
It is it? Has a really good liquidity. I would say it's
Yeah.
something about 100 million float or 50 million. Is it? Doesn't chop around too much.
Yeah, I'll take a look here.
630 million. Yeah, yeah. That's what I was thinking. This is not a super low float because the lower floats are really making like 10, 20
Man,
cents more on. This is 1 cent really. That could be a good option to trade.
it's got a 21 it's got a 21% short interest, which
Ah,
is probably going to make it trade a little squirrely.
interesting.
And it's been in play all last week. Open Door Technologies.
Oh, it's the meme Wall Street Journal, Wall Street Bet meme, huh? All right, if it's a meme, we're gonna get something.
Seems like it.
317, 318. I'll get something at 318, just to be part of history. But be careful of your share size, guys. 318, let's pop up. Good bit. Maybe this is the next GME. Who knows? 321. Oh, there you go. No, that's nice. I'm partially some here, 323. Oh, nice. That's nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it's nice. Getting out more. Very beautiful. 375. Okay, yeah. So it's 375. Sure, yeah. It's the same GME mentality, huh? Diamond hands. Okay. To the moon.
To the moon. Yeah.
To the moon. To the moon.
Tons of volume. Crazy.
To the moon.
So you can't, there's nothing to borrow to short
No.
it.
To the moon. So Nvidia isn't doing anything. Apple isn't doing anything. So
No.
actually, as a matter of fact, I might actually add a little bit more. I'm adding a little bit more on open here because this one is bring my average to 20 maybe. Kevin is shorting a SPY, huh? All right, Nvidia is also moving up. Let's see. I'm still long on Nvidia, so let's see if Nvidia. I'm adding a little more on Nvidia here too. Let's see if it wants to go to 173.
All inventory taken.
I opened 350 or 335. Gary wants 375, huh?
Wow, there's some big orders all the way up there to 350.
Yeah, hell yeah, let's get it then. 373. Why 373?
So
Five.
qubits is going up. Wow, qubits is up a lot too, eh?
Oh, beautiful. Yes. The volume, look at the liquidity on this is amazing. And I on NVIDIA as well. See if open now, maybe it's the time to pull back. There's no shares for short, huh?
No, it doesn't appear that way.
Sometimes you can actually try. Sometimes you can send a order and see if it actually works or not. Let me give it a try and see. Open and go to the other account. Try to share to short. See. Yeah, it's rejected.
Spy hit R6 and rolled over. It's lost the 9 EMA now. Same with the Qs.
I'm in long in Apple and NVIDIA too, guys. Apple actually to AAPU. I haven't got to stop down. Let's see if those guys are going to go back up or not. APU, which is the 2 times leverage of Apple. See, okay, open is coming back to my break-even point. Um, yeah, I'm getting it stopped out on open. So I'm all out of open, guys, even though this might still stay strong, but looks like it wants to really keep going higher. They're trapped. NVDA. All right, APU and NVDA. Let's see.
Hmm.
It's coming back up.
Mhm.
Another remarkable all-time high. Wow, open is gonna go back up. I'm gonna add a little bit more on. I'll go back on long on open 332.
Hmm. AMD is taking off here.
So looks like it wants to pop higher. A good day on open. I don't know if I should mess around with it or not. You know what? I'm actually getting out of it. I had a good day on it. So really, what am I missing?
Yeah.
Like I'm focusing on Apple AAPU. So the Apple is going higher. If NVIDIA can break to 173, that would have been really nice too. Yeah, I'm glad I got open. See what NVIDIA is doing. APUs, my APU, pop higher a little bit. You get out of AAPU at 24 maybe. See if Apple goes. Yeah, market still making highs. XYZ is the new block. It's the Square, huh? It's the Jack Dorsey company,
Yeah,
XYZ.
yeah,
They
it's
changed it to XYZ.
yeah, XYZ is used to be Square, and they're getting added to the S&P.
Oh,
That's why they're gapping up.
right. Yeah, no, huh? Why did he change it to XYZ?
Yeah.
But AAQ doesn't do anything. Um, like Apple doesn't seem that it wants to go. I'm just the only position that I have is Nvidia. Let's see if Nvidia can go at least to 173. Yeah, beautiful. Ryan, what are you trading? You're quiet.
I'm just I'm looking at the SPY and the Q, seeing what they're doing. I'm not in anything right now.
Gary, what are you trading? Did you trade the SPX calls?
Yeah, I
So what's the
traded
difference
SPX.
between SPX calls and SPY calls?
Yeah, I traded Q calls, 563s, and then I traded SPX a couple of calls just when we started to break out there. But they're definitely more risky.
Sorry, SPX are more riskier than SPY calls. Is that what you said?
Yeah, yeah,
Why?
yeah. They jump around a lot. Um, with the Q calls and the SPY calls, they're just they're l- they don't jump as much as SPX. Yeah, exactly. SPX is 10 times the SPY calls.
Super volatile, huh? Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand.
Open looks done for the time being. OKLO. Oh, OKLO is dropping.
Lenny, nice trade. See if NVIDIA stopped me out or not. Open really losing it, lost it. Yeah, I had a good day on Open. That was really good profit on it.
Wow.
Oh, there you go, NVIDIA. What happened? What happened?
Yeah,
What
it
happened?
popped up there.
Oh, that's pretty good. So I'm awesome. Maybe partial sum to make my losses back. Did President tweet something? Right. Getting my losses back on NVIDIA. Benzinga didn't announce anything. With volume on SPY. Getting
Huh.
along on Tesla too. Let's see if Tesla can pop back up to VWAP. It looks like it's holding the previous day close.
Yeah. Spies back at high of day. Qs are breaking out again.
That was I don't know what happened exactly at 10:20. Benzinga didn't announce anything. I don't know if it's any news or something.
Yeah, there seemed to be something happened there.
Look at that! Look at the beauty!
This market is just crazy.
This is what we want.
So reminds me of the .com bubble.
Don't say that. It's different companies. I mean, the valuations are crazy, but the S&P 500 is very like these companies are different from the dot-com bubble companies. Hope it's not.
Yeah, traded PLTR. Nice on that breakout.
PLTR PR was nice, yeah. Very nice trading. PLTR
Wow,
154.
NBIS
That's a
is
nice trade here.
NBIS really popped up here. It's breaking out on a daily. Wow, qubits it really tanked. Hit 20 and then it's really sold off here. Victoria, what did you trade? PLTR, nice trade on PLTR. Yeah, party like it's 1999. Wow, look at PLTR. Wow, that was a rejection. Ooh,
All right. Tesla's probably going to stop me out again. So it's garbage. NVIDIA. NVIDIA
yeah,
is going to go
Nvidia.
173. I think NVIDIA 173 could be something.
Nvidia's got an order at 173.
President Trump media announced to purchase Bitcoin Treasury 2 billion. Good. On NVIDIA 173. PLTR name. PLTR did a really nice pop too at 1020. I don't know what happened at 1020, but something seriously changed.
Yeah,
NVIDIA goes to 173. That would be nice. Have a big size on it. Come on.
Tesla's rolling over again. Back at PDC.
175. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Actually, I did it here. Actually, 175. Should have gone to NVIDIA actually. What is that?
Tesla's going to be reporting at on Wednesday
Yeah, I gotta stop that on
with
Tesla.
Alphabet.
Tesla's garbage. Gotta stop that on Tesla. All right, NVIDIA is going up very nicely.
Yeah, it's going to 173. 173.26 is R3.
SPY is still making new all-time high.
Yeah,
I don't know why, but it's amazing.
it is.
TLT's up, bonds are up, stocks are up, rates are down. What do you want from life?
Rates are down. Yeah.
Benzinga is available through trading terminals, Zach. We have licensing issues with Benzinga and Nasdaq. So essentially, for redistribution of these products, we have to put it behind a paywall, and otherwise, the licensing is you're actually violating the licensing fee. So same as real-time simulator that we had it for like 2 3 years for free. Nasdaq eventually came to us and said, real-time data is a product that belongs to us, and if you want to redistribute it for free real-time, is a different license. They have to pay like 100,000 a month. Um, but it has to be behind a paywall, and then you pay per user to Nasdaq. So it's a flat fee that we have to pay them, and then per user you add. Nice.
Yeah, look at that.
Nice.
We're breaking out
Beautiful. Like
173.
life is nice. You don't need to be worried about it. One thing that I actually noticed about exchanges is Nasdaq. They don't really make money out of this exchange fee. That part of the commission that you're paying. There's some exchange fees in there. The real money that they're making is from the data that they own. So the transactions that they have, the tick data. So that's their. That's actually the real product. So they sell it. Everything, like you can check your phone. Apple is probably giving them like billions of dollars probably on having this access to this real-time data. That's their real product, data. I didn't know that. Right, NVIDIA is going to go. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Oil is down too as well. Like the oil is down,
Yeah, I thought
bonds
oil
are up,
was up.
rates are down, the
Oil's
stocks
up
are
a
up.
little bit
Like,
this
what
morning.
else do you want in life?
I think oil was up a little bit this morning. I don't know if it sold off.
It's 66.60, selling more here. Rents go down. Everything is great. What else do you want from life? It's a good day. It's a
Yeah,
beautiful day.
everything's coming up roses.
I'm calling it topic. Jared, now let's NVIDIA break the of the day and then I'm out.
Following the top again.
beautiful. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. All right, Brian, do you want to go to YouTube? See some
Yeah,
questions from
sure.
folks over there.
Dream, come here and make it work.
Well, hey guys, how are you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Yeah, you had a weird morning.